Good afternoon, ma'am, and my all classmates. I am Kuldeep Safaiya, and I am here presenting my group number two. Apart from me, my group members' names are Shraddha Malviya, Shivani Mewara, Raman Lovanshi, Rahul Manchanda, Adarsh Patel, and Anup. So here now I am going to express our views on OYO case study. Yeah. What is OYO? OYO, on your own. OYO is the India's first and largest hospitality chain which provide room booking on online platform, and now it is the India's largest chain of hotel. OYO offering budget hotel with best price and best facilities. We can say they provide us at a cheap price, best facility at cheap price. Current OYO has a large chain of hotels. Currently, they are serving in Asia, Europe, America region also. Slide change, please. Okay. Now, I am introduce the structure of OYO. Ritesh Agrawal is the founder and CEO of OYO Hotels. Uh, he got idea of OYO while he is traveling across India at the age of 17. Ritesh stayed in more than 100 beds and breakfasts, guest rooms, guest house, and hotels to realize there were a massive dearth of affordable and good quality hotels in the budget hotel category. And he realized that they are not providing even basic facilities like a good quality of foods and clean rooms and clean mattress also. He believed that everyone deserve a beautiful design, chic and comfortable living space, and everyone deserve a better life. And he also believed that uh, quality customer service has have great values. That's how OYO was launched in May 2013 as a name of Oracle. OYO today is the world's leading chains of hotels, homes, and spaces. Slide change, please. Okay. Now I am calibrate idea of Oracle and its drop downs. In initial stage, in year 2013, Mr. Agrawal laid a company which is based on homestay model, and its name of Oracle. It is inspired by Airbnb, which is American-based travel arrangement platform, which is launched in 2000 in year 2008. Drop downs of Oracle. Everyone know Indians have a large family and they have large number of relatives. So whenever we go anywhere, we found at least any one of our family members. India has a myriad culture and religions, and sometimes they oppose one another to the basis of fooding style, clothing style, and other rituals. Trust deficit in middle class Indians. Middle class Indians prefer to stay in relatives rather than anyone unknown place. Slide change, please. Now we are focusing on OYO's vision. Change the way people stay away from home. They trying to provide best and basic facility just like home and family members. Now I am focusing on objectives on the basis of standardization, affordability, technology, and varieties. Now, standardization. Promise to provide the same facilities and amenities at all places show on mobile application or website while booking the property, and they are trying to harder and harder to best facility provide to their customer. Now, affordability. Promise to provide high quality experience at pocket friendly prices, and they focusing on the budget hotels category. Technology. Enjoy hassle-free booking experience through the OYO app within a few clicks, and we can also book anywhere, any hotel's room from anywhere to everywhere. Varieties. Customer can book spaces according to their preferences like budget, type of stay, and many other factors. because India has lots of consumer according to their paying capability. Now, I'm focusing on functioning of OYO rooms, acquiring rooms, given need of the market. Uh, because every time not a demand of hotels is same. Sometimes is going to a deeper point, and sometimes they are going to upper maximum the sale. So they are acquiring the room according to market demand. We will target to prime hotels. Sorry, will never target to prime hotels, because in prime hotels category there are already many competitor of them. Minimum payment model. In initial stage, they are trying to expand their business on the with the help of minimum payment model. Auditing rooms. Maintain room quality by auditing process. They are regularly audit rooms to check their facilities are properly given by the hotel management or not. Different color codes. They are displaying the vacant room or the busy room on their mobile apps. One auditors have to audit 200 rooms. uh, Oyo appoint auditors who called Oyo captains, and per captains have to audit 200 rooms. Pricing rooms. Dynamic pricing. They are trying to ensure that जो भी वो फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है वो उस प्राइसिंग रेंज के अंदर हो, मींस जो पैसा उन्होंने पे करा है कस्टमर ने, वो उसको सेटिस्फैक्टरी लगे. टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रॉप डायनेमिक प्राइसिंग. With the help of dynamic pricing, they are showing to their distributing rooms. Distribute inventory in the multiple ways. In initial stage, they are occupying only some rooms on any hotels, and when they are stabilized in the industry, they are occupying whole the property for rental. 60% of OYO sales increase by the mobile application, because when they are entered to mobile application technology, there are few players with them. Scaling rooms. Debut, Debuted one property before expanding in 50 properties. They are initially stage, they are focusing on one property, and then they are going to other properties. Four promises: availability, predictability, ease of use, affordability. uh, Mean of availability is they are ensuring the room numbers. They should then consumer can easily book. Predictability means जो कस्टमर सोच के आए हैं कि हमें ये फैसिलिटीज मिलेगी, वो इजिली उनको मिलनी चाहिए, ये इंश्योर करते हैं. ईज ऑफ यूज. With the help of OYO mobile application, uh, customer can easily use and book any hotels from. Affordability. And they target इनका मेन टारगेट था उन लोगों के लिए अच्छे होटल्स प्रोवाइड करवाना जो मिड रेंज बजट होटल्स पे जाना पसंद करते हैं. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Organizational structure and culture. 200 technology specialist and product management professions. उनकी टीम में उनके ओयो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में 200 टेक्नीशियन ऐसे पूरे होते थे जो ऑलवेज कस्टमर्स के फीडबैक, प्रेजेंट कंडीशन ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट, ये सब मैनेज करते थे. बिजनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग कंपनीज. एम्प्लॉयज फ्रॉम प्रीमियम बिजनेस स्कूल. They are trying to appoint their employees from business school with the best knowledge and capabilities. Recommendation letter for
कंटिन्यू करूं मैं?
हाँ शिवानी बोलो.
The key partners of OYO are hotels and property owners, electronic payments services, taxi services, GPS services. Its key activities are creating, developing, and maintaining app and website, partnership with hotels, ensuring good customer experience, marketing, managing hotels, partners, and customers. Value proposition. Basically, it is based on customer satisfaction, hence, customer experience in low cost is its prime necessity. Simple and easy to use app for booking holiday packages and discount membership programs, customer relationship, self-booking platform, trained hotel accommodation staffs, customer services support, channels, websites and mobile apps, by social media, by advertising at Hotel Oyo hotels. सॉरी मैम, इसमें मैंने रीड आउट नहीं किया, इसमें मैं सिर्फ रीड आउट कर रही हूँ, इसको मुझे ज्यादा आइडिया।
रीड आउट मत करो, मूव फॉरवर्ड। अगर आपको नहीं पता तो छोड़ दीजिए आप।
Should the next slide? इसके बाद में So here we are talking about the SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis consists of the strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Here is standardization. Standardization consists of various facilities provided under OYO related to amenities, cleanliness, various facilities regarding Wi-Fi, etc. Spirit of innovation. OYO has always been innovative through its ideas or things. Subsidiary hotel stays. OYO subsidizes rooms to make them affordable for customers. A huge network around 850 properties through the country is a great strength for OYO rooms. Weaknesses. The strategy of co-branding rooms without actually owning a property can be a problem. Second is poor services quality. Third, hotels are on tie-ups with OYO with tight margins, which can also loop to other agents. Opportunities. Growing demands in the market for hotel aggregators, where most high-end hotels are facing difficulties to balance supply and demand, which can in turn increase the scope for OYO. Focus on budget accommodations. There are very competitors available in the market like Gold, Vigo, Trivandrum, Make My Trip, etc., which are also working on the same models as OYO works. Second is growing concerns about safety. Change slide.
इससे ये ग्रोइंग कंसर्न अबाउट सेफ्टी आ गया, ये केस में दिया हुआ है क्या?
नो मैम।
क्यों डाल रखा है ये सब?
मैम बेसिकली ऐसा हुआ था कि बहुत सारी जैसे ओयो के ऐप पर भी जैसे रिव्यूज वगैरह भी रीड किए थे हमने, तो हमने एक्स्ट्रा रीड करे थे, पर रिव्यूज वगैरह में ये सारे पॉइंट्स डले हुए थे सिक्योर ये सेफ्टी से रिलेटेड।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं लेना है, ठीक है? अगली बार मत लेना, बाकी सारे पॉइंट्स तो फिर भी ठीक है। सेफ्टी वाला पॉइंट मुझे तो नहीं दिखा केस में। आई हैव रेड द केस प्राइस बट आई कुड नॉट फाइंड, दैट्स व्हाई।
इसमें नहीं है
फाइन
रिव्यूज में।
फाइन, कैरी ऑन।
From now on, I would want my friend Shraddha to further explain the slides.
To keep a check over practices by hotel owners to fill the vacant rooms. So these are some recommendations by our group. I'm going to explain them. They have to check over the malpractices which are happening. It is the duty of the owner to check over the malpractices. OYO should work more for improving service quality. They have to work more for improving the service quality which they are provided. They have to train their staff that they can work effectively and efficiently. OYO should reduce the heavy penalties with minor faults and error on hotel owner. OYO should reduce the heavy penalties which they are incurring so that they can earn more. To invest in change, as changes are very important, and after every period of time they have to invest more in changes so that they can work more efficiently. OYO ensure that its hotel partner maintain room quality through a strict auditing process. They have to ensure that their hotel partners maintain a good room quality, so many customers can come and experience staying. They should deliver good customer experience, getting staff and pricing their process. On the previous slides, can I explain them? Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, you are Shraddha.
Can I explain these? Can I explain these slides?
Ma'am, we are not hear you.
Shraddha, now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shraddha,
ma'am.
no need to explain brand, flagship and township. वो तो कैटेगरीज ऑफ रूम है, इतना बड़ा पॉइंट नहीं है. आप मुझे ये बताइए, रिकमेंडेशन में चले जाइए और आप मुझे ये बताइए, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय गुड कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस?
They should deliver good customer experience. As ma'am Ritik Agarwal realized that many of their OYO customers are from different groups, and they are looking for different brands and experiences. So they created the different brand of OYOs like OYO Room, OYO Flex, and OYO Townhouse. So accordingly, they have to provide different facilities to their customers so that they can experience them. Like many of
Okay.
them, people want they do not worry about higher prices, and they expected higher quality services, so they have to provide them.